I've been using warm vertical obturation systems ever since I started practice. I've used everything on the market. I can honestly say the Gutta-Smart system is a new generation of obturation systems. The developers have been able to take everything good about previous generations and improve on that in a new lightweight cordless device. This allows me to work more ergonomically, increases the efficiency of my treatments, and overall just makes things nicer. I was lucky enough to be included in the development process of this product, and it was really nice to see the developers take my feedback and implement it into the new product. That's unusual, and I appreciate it very much, as they saw what my everyday needs were and found a new device that matched that exactly.